So just here in Mornington, 17 metres upstream of our new jump up that we've installed. So just looking at the head of the drain here, this is right at the front door for an ORG. So we'll pull back, just record this. So this is now coming straight across the front of the house towards the right side. Around this 90 bend just here. Connecting into our lovely new PVC to VC connection there, and dropping into the jump up. So happy days here. Got really good access upstream and downstream, and we can actually pull out this 88 junction and straight bit of pipe here. Not glued in yet, but we'll do that after the relining.